welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to an ultra luxury segment project called Sobha Madison and Sobha Hampton by Sobha Town Park by Sobha Developers. And this property is located on the Hosur Road, which is the National Highway 48, south of Bangalore. In this video, we'll be discussing about the project overview, the location, the amenities, the flat area, the booking process, and the interesting launch discount and offers. In this project overview, I'll be discussing about Sobha Madison Heights and Sobha Hampton Towers, which is spread across a land parcel of 33 acres comprising of 12 towers, and these 12 towers consist of 3 basements, ground floor and 40 floors, and these towers consist of 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK ultra luxury residences. The Sobha Town Park is located on Hosur Road, the National Highway 48, as you can see, which is about close to 15 minutes from the Chandapura metro station, 25 minutes from Nice Ring Road, 25 minutes from Electronic City, and 5 minutes from the upcoming satellite town Ring Road. And this project boasts of 40 plus amenities, which includes a clubhouse, indoor games area, kids play area, multipurpose hall, amphitheater and many lifestyle amenities. As Sobha brings to you these ultra luxury segment apartments with 80% serene open space view without compromising on the quality or space, and these apartments are also Vastu compliant and located very close to some of the major IT hubs and commercial developments in the area. Now, talking about the floor plan and the area, Sobha Madison Heights has a 1 BHK apartment at 753 square feet, 2 BHK medium apartment at 1240 square feet, 2 BHK large at 1339 square feet, and 3 BHK medium at 1514 square feet. And now coming to Sobha Hampton Towers, which has a 3 BHK large apartment of 1842 square feet, a 4 BHK medium apartment of 2203 square feet, and the 4 BHK large apartment of 2800 square feet built up area. And now talking about the booking process, you can avail a free site visit by contacting our sales team who will help you with the entire booking process and project details. Our sales team will also provide you with the price and payment schemes and options available, and will also help you with the banking options available. So if you see the project and if you want a project site to be allotted to you, and if you come under the first 50 customers, you can also avail interesting launch offers and discounts. So everyone, this was a teaser of the Sobha Madison Heights and Sobha Hampton Towers at the Sobha Town Park by Sobha Developers, located on Hosur Road, National Highway 48, south of Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.